Hello! Today's literacy lesson is about compare and contrast. How something might be the same as something else, or how something might be different than something else. This is a popular thing to do with stories, to compare and contrast the stories, which we did in school. Today I'm going to use something else. We're going to use this and this. So, when you are comparing or contrasting two things, there are some things you should think about first every time. Let's start with a fun one. Let's start with color. Are this squeaky cat toy mouse and this live mouse in the purple cup, are they the same color? Let's compare them. Are they the same color? No, they are not. So we're going to put color over here in the different column. Let's pick another good one. Size. This is my big, this is my small. So let's compare. Are these two mice about the same size? Yes, they are. They are about the same size. They're very close. So we're going to put the size over here in same. Let's get another one. How about shape? What do you think? Are these two mice about the same shape? Are they same or are they different shapes? They're about the same shape. They are mouse shaped because they are both mice. Okay. Let's pick another one that you might not think about when you are comparing and contrasting very often. Let's look at living or non-living. Living, it is alive. It eats, it has more of itself, it breathes, it moves on its own. Or non-living, it does not need to eat, it does not need to drink, it cannot make more of itself, it does not move on its own. We're going to say different because clearly this black mouse can move on her own, and clearly this little guy is not alive. So we talked about compare the same and contrast different. And we used three things that are very common when you compare and contrast: size, shape, and color. And something you might not think about very often: living or non-living. Let's take another look at my friend here. She doesn't have a name yet. We're going to work on that this week. There she is, and we're going to put her back in her tank now with her other living mouse friend. Bye!